You are about to watch the Model Context Protocol in action. One agent, multiple live data streams, zero custom integration. Think of it as the moment APIs stop feeling like plumbing and start feeling like power. After this, you won't wire an integration the same way again. If you are building AI agents, you know the hustle. Every service wants a bespoke connection. One upstream change and your weekend is gone. Now imagine a universal standard for AI connections. Connect once and it works. That's MCP. Today we are building a production-ready financial analyst with connection pooling, live monitoring, and intelligent feedback. Not a toy, a pattern you can ship. MCP is that standard, backed by OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. One protocol that lets any agent connect to any service instantly. Here's the twist. We are not connecting to APIs. We are building a connection pool. It reuses session, retries with back-off, track health, and fails gracefully when things get spicy. It is the boring reliability layer that quietly turns prototypes into product. Here's what we are building. And this isn't just another demo. Watch this. See these real-time metrics? That's our production connection pool managing multiple MCP servers automatically. Connection reuse, automatic retry, health monitoring. This is what production MCP looks like. Now watch it orchestrate multiple data sources with intelligent error recovery. One agent, multiple MCP servers, production reliability. This is the future of AI integration. Our setup script handles everything: dependencies, environment configuration, MCP server health checks, even performance benchmark. 3 main files: the enhanced agent with connection pooling, the feature-rich UI, and our automated setup system. Let's look under the hood. This is our production connection pool. Connection reuse, automatic retry with exceptional back-off, circuit breaker pattern. This handles thousands of request reliability. Always designed for failure. Your fallback data should be as good as your live data. What just happened behind the scenes? The pool juggled multiple MCP servers, auto-retried on blips, and when the service misbehaved, fell back to create a demo data so that the analysis never stalled. This is production thinking packed into the workflow. And the agent is not fire and forget. It reasons about which tools to use, manage connection intelligently, and expose full observability. Every call is tracked, every error is handled, every metric is visible, so that you can trust it when you are not watching. Everyone can deliver a happy pass demo. Production means resilience, telemetry, and grateful degradation. The pool keeps your analysts honest even when external services don't, so that you deliver the same experience on a good day, bad day, and a lunch day. Sub-second responses, 99.9% success rate with fallback, automatic error recovery, under a penny per query, even with full monitoring. Now you have options for MCP integration. Option 1 is basic MCP client. It is simple, but no production features. Option 2, OpenAI function calling. It's vendor-locked, limited scalability. Option 3 is production MCP pool. Complex setup, enterprise reliability. Now scale the idea. Every MCP server becomes a capability. Stripe for payment, GitHub for code, Drive for document, your own services next. One protocol, infinite connections, and reliability that does not flinch when APIs do. Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic are all standardizing on MCP. This is how real AI applications are built, not with hope, but with error handling, monitoring, and a pattern that you can hand to a CTO. Code is below. More important is the architecture in your head now. That's the line that separates a hobby project from a professional system. Your challenge: add one more MCP server to this system. Whether GitHub, whatever you choose. Show me your production implementation. If this helped shifted how you think about AI integrations, tap the buttons that help the folks who need it. Next week, we bring computer vision into this agent and take it further. I am Atif. Keep building production systems, keep pushing boundaries, and I will see you in the next one.